Hello everyone, this is the continuation of my previous video. So in my previous video what I did is I include Spring Cloud Stream into my project and I added some configuration for input and output, and also I include Kafka Stream also in my Maven pom.xml. So right now what I need to do is I need to create a model class. So using that model class I can send to the Kafka topic. So I'm going to create a package here. So it's a model, and inside that some messages, some type of messages. Maybe command also will work. So I'm just command. Okay. On this one, what I'm going to do is I have a command and I have a time also. So that is the way I'm going to create, and probably I will make it as a component, studio type component. We all know that what is component means. So I got everything here, but what I need is getter, setter, and also a constructor. So everything will work if I'm just adding this one data. It will add everything. This is a Lombok annotation. So we don't need to set our getter and setter. Instead of that, we are just mentioning data. So I got that one, and what I need next is a consumer and a producer. So I will create a producer first. So probably I will create a new package service, and inside service I am creating a Java class I consumer, and I will make it as an interface. Inside that, what I am going to do is public void consume. So consumer implements I consume. Okay, in consume I need another one. So I need to enable binding annotation. So it's a cloud stream annotation. Let's see what is this mean. This is for configuration. So inside that, what I am going to mention is enable binding, and I need to provide an input class. Let's see what does this mean after importing that class. So if I am going inside this class, this is an interface that mentioned a subscriber channel. So we are using that one. So we have for producer also we have something like source that we can use. So in subscriber we can use this one. Else we need to create we need to create an input channel like this. It should be a custom one, but in this case I have already one. Usually most of the programs we will use this one. So that part I did, and in consume what I need to do is I need to mention it as a stream listener. So it's listening for a particular stream, and we need to mention the target. We know that sync dot input, that is the target, but also I can make some condition here. So condition like in headers message header. So message header type should be like comment. It's like comment. Okay, so it will listen for that particular stream, and what I will do inside this one is something different. I need to print the get time and get content. That's a thing I am going to do here. And also we need to use some annotation here, something like payload. So this also I am messaging specific annotation. And here what I'm going to do is I'm just printing that. Okay. So basically what I need to do is I already create a model here. I am assuming my message should support that model. So I am using that here in my consumer. So I need to change in my consumer here also. Okay, right now we are done with the consumer. We need to print the time and get time. Then here I'm going to print the content, get content. Okay, so that's why I did. Right now I need to create my producer. So I will do one thing. So this video is going to be ending. Please tune for my next video, probably on tomorrow. That's all for today. So actually what I did is I create a model class command, and I create a consumer. Consumer is totally different from Spring Kafka. We need to enable binding. So enable binding uh, so enable binding means So it will actually enabling the binding of targets annotated with input and output to a broker. So it's actually binding our stream into a broker. So that's annotated with the input and output. So in this case, I need to mention an input class. So we have some input class available in messaging. So I am using the particular class here, sync.class. And also in the stream listener, we need to mention that one. And also a condition to filter some of the message. Then after I'm getting the message, I am printing that time and comment. That's why I'm doing here. So next video we will go for the producer right now. Not right now, on next video. Okay, thank you for watching.